Mastering Ordinal Numbers. Unlocking the 11th. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're taking another step on our journey to mastering English numbers. We've already talked about cardinal numbers, and we've explored ordinal numbers from the 1st to the 10th. Today, we're moving forward to the 11th. Ready? Let's dive in. Before we dive into the 11th, let's do a quick recap. Remember, ordinal numbers are used to represent the position or order of things in a series. They're different from cardinal numbers, which we use for counting. When we're talking about ordinal numbers, we're talking about things like the 1st, the 2nd, the 3rd, and so on. Today, we're looking at the 11th. Now let's get to know our main character for today, the word 11th. It's an ordinal number that represents the position after the 10th and before the 12th. For example, if you are in a queue and 10 people are in front of you, you are in the 11th place. Let's see how we can use the word 11th in sentences. Here are a few examples. 1. This is my 11th year living in this city. 2. Her 11th birthday party was a blast. 3. I am the 11th person in the queue. See how we're using the word to show the position or order of something. One common mistake people make when using ordinal numbers is forgetting to add the th at the end. Remember, it's 11th, not 11. Similarly, for other numbers in this range, it's 12th, not 12, and so on. And there you have it, friends. Now you're ready to use the word 11th confidently in your conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to incorporate this new knowledge into your everyday English. And of course, stay tuned as we continue our exploration of ordinal numbers. Up next is the 12th. Can't wait to see you then.